My name is Odhiambo. I'm adult Kenyan, married to one wife and having 5 children. I'm also a member of Winners Chapel, International Kisumu Church, where I'm a church elder. In Kisumu, I am a lecturer at KCA University Western-Campus, where I'm a facilitator of quantitative subjects. The quantitative subjects are cutting across various faculties and schools of KCA, and mainly I would say quantitative analysis. This is a subject which is actually undertaken by students in CPA Part 2, and that is Section 4. An aspect of quantitative analysis here will be one topic such as correlation analysis. The word correlation simply means linear association between quantities. How are they connected? How does one affect the other? Because we say that quantities are correlated when a change in one affects the change in the other. Now, whether we like it or not, students liking it or not, numbers play a major role in the contemporary world. My area of interest will be mainly what I call mathematical modeling. Now, modeling is actually active verb, but is from the word model, and model is simply using variables or quantities represent real-life situation. Recently, we have had a case of the world-threatening condition, COVID. So I think with the available data, for example, updates from the Ministry of Health, we could actually model a mathematical function which would describe the rate of infections, the rate of recoveries, and what we call the stability of the population. That would depend on the knowledge of the student, or my knowledge, which is based on algebra as well as calculus. So there's mathematical process which is used here with other assumptions. One, as we have seen always in Kenya, we assume that the population we're dealing with is freely mixing up, leave alone the conditions which were posed by some government that now there's restriction. So in that case, we can see what we call in abbreviation SEIR, susceptible, exposed, infected, removed, or recovered. So in this case, we can see how many people are getting infected, how many people have been getting recovered. Like we have seen quite a number of times, we are told by the minister, today, this number of people have recovered. Of course, there's a breakdown in hospital as well as home care. How many are actually susceptible? I mean, the healthy population which can be infected. Exposed, like when we have the interaction. The infected are now those who are carrying the virus. And now the removed can be those who have recovered, as well as now developing some immunity, because if there's no immunity, then we are going to have the whole population being swept away. That's why we need such a model, and when I come up with it, I think it can be, with the help of medical, of course, there are certain areas that medical team has to come in, but mathematical modeling can be done by the mathematics aspect, as I'm interested in that one. KCA University, first and foremost, I think there is that conducive environment in which the students are exposed to various facilities in learning. The students who are coming from KCA have got what we call high employability rate. In this case, they find that the world is aware of the existence of KCA, such that should they go out, there is already a name in the map that this is a student from KCA. And in fact, in addition to that one, they also do practical work in terms of project, which in most cases expose them to those industries and other areas. That will make them actually better placed and can get gainful employment. Welcome to KCAU, ladies and gentlemen.